It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus, your motherfucking Shade Wade.
What's good, guys? Do y'all hear the sound? She lives. Most of the interior is back in. I actually left the passenger side seat out, but we got the back seats, we got the driver's seat, we got the carpet in. We got the jump box. Battery's all good. But yeah, we're going full race car. Got no headliner in this bitch. What is good, guys? So this is gonna be pretty much the conclusion, the results. So we've stripped all this stuff out of the car. We've tried to save some weight, and let's basically see where the hell we're at. So this is your first time watching, you haven't watched any other episodes in the series. We've gutted the car. Yes, I'm not running one of my Recaros right now just because, you know, I don't know. More race car, I guess. But we stripped all the sound deadening out. We've stripped all the raw jute out. I just took off the rear crash bar because I don't need it. You know, if somebody hits the car, it's GG. So there's the crash bar. And we've got our hook scale, Fish Fun. Shout out to fisherman Chris B. He's a fisherman. He makes handmade lures. That's right. So here is our bag of sound deadening, the rear seatbelt assemblies, other odds and ends, plastics, rubbers, all that shit. Then this bag right here, and this bag right here, this is all the raw jute that was underneath the carpet. Just a fucking nightmare to get out. Alright, so I guess for the first one we'll do I'm gonna put my cigarette. There we go. Let's turn on our scale. We're in pounds. Nice little, got this off Amazon, little fish finder, Fish Fun, whatever the fuck it's called. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lift it up and then I'll show you guys. I'll get as close as I can to show you, or I can read it out, either or. We'll do both. Get these on our loops. Bag handles, alright. $22.15. $22.15. Dude, I call bullshit on that. It feels way heavier than $22.15. That's honestly, that's a little disappointing. I'm not even gonna lie. Wow, I thought it would damn near be high 20s, but I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. I mean, every pound counts. Don't get me wrong, but damn, only 22 for this, like, for all the sound deadening. Like, let's see what it weighs without the seatbelt assemblies. Or let's see what the seatbelt assemblies weigh. Each one weighs 1.9 pounds. So if we take, say we take these two out, right? Let's tear it out. Come on, little friend, do your thing. Alright, so now we have no seatbelt assemblies in there. 18.4 pounds. It says 18.20. So they're trying to say I didn't get all the sound deadening out. There were a couple spots that I couldn't get off. But man, I really doubt. Okay, so I think where that weight, we didn't make 31 pounds. Like on one of the forums, someone said the sound deadening weighs 31 pounds. I think up in the floorboards and the little areas, like little pieces of it, that's got to be pretty much where our other 12 pounds is. I don't know. So that's a little disappointing, but let's weigh the raw jute. Maybe it'll make up for it, I guess. So this is like the small bag of jute. This is 4.5 pounds. That's about 4.5 pounds. The other one was 4.55. This one's 4.45. So to a degree, if you think about it, our sound deadening didn't make the 31 pounds. It was like, what, 22 or 24 with those? Or no, it was 22 and a half. If you think about it to a degree, the jute kind of brought it back up. That was 9 pounds. So we did save 31 pounds from that. Probably about 15 pounds, maybe. Okay, we got it. $12.6. I'm starting to think that this scale, it could be accurate, but it's seeming like it's on the low end side, like it's a heartbreaker or something like that. Maybe this cheap scale isn't like super calibrated, really accurate. Maybe it's within a pound or two. I don't know, but I'm not sure, honestly. I'm really not. Really just not sure. I think this might not be the final episode. I think I'm going to get real nerdy and I'm going to show y'all individually what each piece weighs. Like, let's say like a stock Type S seat versus a DC5 Type R seat. How much you're going to save if you're running one seat, two seats, the back seats, or if you're gutted, so y'all can make the guess on like what you want to, how much weight you want to save. Because like I don't have passengers in my car ever, so that's why I'm running the car with just one Recaro right now. Because they're saying on some forum, someone said one of these Recaros weighs like 46 pounds or something ridiculous like that. I don't buy that. I really don't. And obviously some other areas I've saved weight in. Obviously the Spoon Sports wheel and the Worksbell Rapfix hub. There's no airbag. You're saving weight on the Recaros versus the stock seats because there's no airbag. You're saving weight, no spare tire. You're saving weight, lighter Odyssey battery, and it's better weight distribution because it's in the back. Lighter manifolds, lighter intake system, just a ton of shit. No auto air control valve. I mean, the list goes on, guys. So, when you add it up, the only real way to see what this car weighs, like, you can keep trying to like do the math in your head. The only true way to see what this car weighs is to take it to a weigh station. So I think that's going to be kind of like one of the last episodes when we go to get it weighed. Shades weighed. Fucking that'll let us know what we truly weigh. Because, I mean, we go off of a kind of like a stock DC5R's curb weight, and I have every part that's DC5R, engine, trans, all the suspension parts, the brakes, the wheels, the body panels, everything. So that's a ballpark figure. But then you got to think like Veilside titanium that weighs 5 pounds, straight pipe, no resonators, all kinds of shit like that. So the car, I think it weighs less than 2,500 pounds for sure. I think it's somewhere in the mid 2,400s, I would think. But the only true way to know is go get weighed. So anyways, guys, that's about it for now. Other projects I'm working on right now, trying to drill out this stud. This stud right here is where I get some of the movement on my my taillight bracket. I actually have it kind of decent right now. It's not too bad, but it does bang around a bit and make some noise. So what I'm thinking to do right now is I got 2 options. Well, I got 3 options. Try to drill the stud out, or try to push it up and try to drill a fresh hole like I've started and do a self-tapping sheet metal screw. Or the easiest thing I could try to do and hope it holds up is use some the right stuff. Because any of you guys know about the right stuff, that shit is like ridiculously good. This stuff right here, it's gasket maker, but I mean this stuff is like super fucking strong. This shit right here can hold anything. And I got a little bit left. I might just try that, honestly. Just try to keep the bracket on, because you're rarely taking the taillights out. I mean, I don't hardly ever take the taillights out, but it would help with keeping it in place. So I might try that in a bit, see how that goes. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Not complete disappointment. I think we definitely saved some weight. Not the best weight savings, but definitely not bad, I mean, between the crash bar and everything I listed, I mean, getting somewhere to probably 50 pounds lighter. Because you had 24, you had 9 for the jute, so that put us at 33. You had almost 13 for the crash bar, 46. Yeah, about 4 pounds shy of 50. It's not that bad, honestly. Yeah. And considering all the weight we've already saved, I mean, I should have started this series, like, when I started the car or something, showing all the lightweight parts we used. I mean, this Veilside right here, man, this is the shit right here. This thing is awesome. But anyways, guys, y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later.